Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your emergency survival kit or camping gear with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use in any weather condition, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best lighters for camping, chosen for their wind resistance, durability, fuel efficiency, and overall value. We've analyzed the market to find the tools that won't let you down when you need fire the most. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 1, we have the S.O.L Lite Fuel-Free Lighter. This device is designed specifically for the survivalist who wants to minimize weight without sacrificing utility. As a fuel-free electric option, it uses a dual-arc plasma beam to ignite tinder, meaning you never have to worry about running out of butane at high altitudes or in cold temperatures. It creates a heat source that is virtually windproof and waterproof, making it a reliable choice for difficult weather. Beyond just starting fires, this tool creates value through multifunctionality. It features a built-in 100-lumen LED light with high, low, and strong settings, effectively doubling as a backup flashlight. Furthermore, the lanyard itself is a 3-foot tinder cord with a waxed cotton core, providing you with emergency fire starter material right on the device. Users often praise the watertight case and the peace of mind that comes with the plasma technology. However, some feedback notes that it still utilizes a micro USB charging port rather than USB-C, which can be an annoyance for those trying to standardize their cables. Overall, it's a robust, multi-purpose tool. Coming in at number 2 is the Sondiko S907 lighter. While often marketed as a high-end culinary torch for creme brulee, the Sondiko S907 has found a loyal following among campers who need a serious flame. This is a butane torch that delivers a powerful, adjustable flame reaching temperatures up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. This intensity makes it incredibly effective for lighting damp wood or charcoal grills, where a standard lighter would struggle. The standout feature here is the visible fuel window. Unlike many opaque lighters where you have to guess how much gas is left, the S907 allows you to monitor your fuel levels instantly, ensuring you aren't caught empty-handed in the woods. It also features a continuous flame mode and a safety lock, allowing for one-handed operation. In terms of user feedback, owners appreciate the ergonomic design and the ease of adjusting the flame size for different tasks. However, it is important to note that it ships without fuel, and some users find the refilling process requires a specific nozzle adapter depending on your butane canister. Next up at number 3 is the Laffizz Waterproof Plasma Lighter. This entry offers exceptional value by providing a 2-pack set that covers all your bases. 1 dual-arc electric lighter and 1 butane torch lighter. This combination allows campers to leverage the benefits of both technologies. You get the windproof, battery-powered reliability of the plasma lighter for quick ignitions, alongside the raw heat power of the butane torch for more demanding tasks like lighting wet logs. Both units are built with an IP56 waterproof system, featuring a metal ring sealed cover and locking clasp. This rugged construction ensures that even if your pack gets soaked during a river crossing or a heavy downpour, your ability to make fire remains uncompromised. The compact, rubberized ABS and zinc alloy bodies are designed to withstand the drops and bumps typical of outdoor adventures. Customer feedback frequently highlights the versatility of having 2 distinct lighters for the price of 1. Users love the bug-out bag readiness of the set. On the downside, some users report that the butane tank on the torch model is relatively small, requiring more frequent refills during extended trips. At number 4, we have the Zippo All-in-One Windproof Lighter. There is perhaps no name more synonymous with lighters than Zippo, and this all-in-one kit is the perfect entry point for traditionalists. This isn't just a lighter, it is a complete system, including the classic black matte windproof lighter, a flint dispenser, and a 4-ounce can of premium lighter fluid. The design has remained largely unchanged for decades because it works. The metal chimney offers excellent wind protection, keeping the flame reliable in breezy conditions. The appeal here lies in longevity and repairability. Unlike disposable plastic lighters, a Zippo is refillable, and the flints and wicks are replaceable, meaning this single purchase can theoretically last a lifetime. The click
and the tactile feel of the brass construction offer a satisfaction that modern plastic gadgets simply cannot match. Real user feedback indicates that while the reliability is legendary, it does require maintenance. The fuel evaporates over time even when not in use, so it is critical to top it off before every trip. Users also advise carrying extra flints in the kit. For those who value heritage, durability, and a proven track record, the Zippo remains the gold standard.
Finally, at number 5 is the AlpCraft Windproof Lighter. This lighter immediately grabs attention with its aesthetic, often compared by users to a lightsaber due to its sleek, metallic cylindrical design and powerful straight flame. But it is not just about looks. The AlpCraft is a high-performance butane torch designed for precision. It features a 360-degree reversible ignition, meaning you can use the lighter upside down without the flame sputtering or dying out, a massive benefit when trying to light a fire pit from a difficult angle. The nozzle utilizes heat-resistant ceramics to ensure durability during prolonged burns, and the zinc alloy body provides a solid, weighted feel in the hand. It also includes a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition in your pocket, and a simple dial to adjust the flame intensity and color. And that wraps up the top 5 best lighters for camping. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. We hope this guide helps you stay warm and safe on your next outdoor adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.